Patents, trademarks, designs and other registrable forms of intellectual property provide an actual tangible asset of something that is intangible in the intellectual property itself. Having a patent, for example, can be a stamp of approval for a prospective investor that the product that you have is innovative. And moreover, it gives you a monopoly over a particular area. It ring fences a portion of that market. So if an investor's coming in, looking at your business, they want to put their money forward, it alleviates some of the risk for them because they can see that you're going to be competitive because of the fact that you can keep other people out of that space. Other potential benefits of having patents, for example, are corporation tax relief schemes. So in the UK, there's the Patent Box corporation tax relief scheme, which gives a reduction in corporation tax for every unit sold of a patented product. Other potential benefits of intellectual property are the abilities to be able to license it out or sell it to third parties. So, for example, you might be a UK-focused company, but have a product that's going to gain commercial traction outside of the UK, for example, in the US. So if you protect your product in the US, you have a grant of patents in the US, you've got the potential then to license that out to a third party and to gain revenue and royalties for every unit sold by that third party. And it's basically money for nothing. Some examples of innovative products that have been protected by patents include, for example, the granola bar, which is a very famous example and a very commercially successful product. And so long as you've got something that's new and you're solving a problem in a new, unexpected and technical way, then you can have a patent for that product. Other things that might garner patent protection include methods. This might be, for example, a method of making bread. If you're changing something about the process and it confers an advantage of what we call the technical effect, then that's patentable. If there's something special about your packaging, it might be the way that it looks. If it has, if it's particularly striking, then it can be a good candidate for registered design protection. And registered designs basically stop somebody from copying or slightly modifying your design and being able to put it onto the market. Other aspects of packaging, the more technical aspects, are potentially patentable. So, for example, changing the way in which a packaging is produced so that it's stronger or it closes better. Any example of an advantage that you've got associated with it, so long as it's technical, it's new and it's unexpected, then that's eligible for patent protection. My top tips for SMEs would be look at your product, look at it objectively, what's clever about it, what problems do you have to solve to get to that point. And as soon as you're able to answer these questions, you know if you've got something that's innovative and if you can then go forward and protect it.